Hello, friends. Today's story is Blippi, baby farm animals. This one should be a fun one. We love sound books. Okay, friends, let's open the book. Let's meet all the baby animals on the farm and act like them too. Run like a border collie puppy and bark like one too.
Are you ready? Bark like a puppy.
These puppies are going to herd sheep when they grow up. Ruff, ruff.
Are you ready? Bark like a puppy.
The cute little lambs are going to be sheep when they grow up. Bah, bah.
Baa like a lamb.
It's time to explore everything around you, like you're a curious little kitten.
Can you mew like a kitten?
Look, one kitten is checking out this calf.
Can you mew like a kitten?
Now stomp your hooves like a horse fowl. Neigh!
Hey, like a baby horse.
Flap your wings like a chick.
Cheep, cheep, like a chick.
Waddle like a duckling. Quack, quack.
Let's quack, quack, quack.
Act like a piglet and sniff the air with your snout.
Oink, oink, like a baby pig.
Hee-haw, hee-haw. That's how a baby donkey sounds. Did you know a baby donkey is called a fowl?
Bray like a donkey.
Can you climb like a kid? That's the name for a baby goat. Meow, meow.
Make sounds like a baby goat.
I love baby farm animals, and it's so much fun to act like them too. That was a really fun sound book. Hey guys, but don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy reading, friends!